Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Nicole. For those of you that are new, and if you've been here before, you already know how we get down over here. So let's get into these lashes. So to get this look, I used the 240 piece fluffy lash cluster from Amazon, and these range from 14 millimeter all the way up until 20 millimeter. The type of lash curl, how do I explain this? So these are Curl D. If you're familiar with the lash cluster letters, these are D, which means they are really curly and they're very wispy and fluffy and lightweight as well. And then I also use the eyelash adhesive. I got this from the hair store. You can get this at your local hair store. It's only about $2 and some change. I got some tweezers. I already had these, so they're pretty old, but you can also get these from the hair store. And then we have the eyelash lash bond that came with the cluster. So this was a set, like a, yeah, I guess you could say like a set. Okay, so let's get started. First, you are going to see me put some eyelash adhesive on the top, and I'm only going to put a little bit because you don't want it to dry up while you're, during your lashes, while you're doing your lashes. So I put the adhesive on the top, and now I'm going to get some lash bond, and I'm going to place it on my eyelash like I am applying mascara. And you're only going to see me put a little bit because we're going to do one section at a time, because again, you don't want it to dry up while you're, applying the lashes. You see my lips moving, y'all, don't pay me no mind because I was just yapping away, and I decided, yeah, no, we're just gonna do a voiceover, so don't pay me no mind. But so we're gonna start off with the 20 millimeter. Okay, we're gonna start off with the biggest ones because we're gonna start on the outside of the eye first. So this is what one of the 20s look like. I'm trying to give y'all a good visual. And then I'm going to take that 20 and I'm going to lightly dip it in the eyelash adhesive. And so now I'm trying to apply this with one hand while I'm holding the mirror, so don't judge me. But do not place this lash cluster on your waterline, if that makes sense. Don't place it directly where your lashes start. I'm trying to show y'all, but it's really hard. So I'm going to zoom in really, really close. And y'all see, it's not directly on the eyelash. And I'm going to freeze it right here because you see those two little lashes of mine? Do not place it all the way on the edge, because when you do that, it's going to poke your eye and you're going to be ready to pull your lashes out. I'm telling you right now, do not place the cluster all the way on the edge. Leave space. So here I'm just placing another 20 right next to the other one. Again, do not place it right where your eyelashes begin. And then I'm just going to hold it just so that, I can make sure that it's glued on there. So I had to change my view because I could not see the way that I wanted. I had to switch. But yeah, I put 320s. That's 1, 2, 3. And as you can see on the end right here, I left that side. I didn't put anything on the very end because I don't want my eye to be constantly poked. So I'm gonna get some more of my lash bond. I'm recording on 2 different devices, so one is zoomed in and one is not. So I'm gonna put some more. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . And I'm only doing sections at a time because I don't want the glue to dry out while I'm you know, I don't want the glue to dry before I get to put the extension. Instead of going in, since I have 320s, now I'm going to go in with the 8. And I just kind of like push on it a little bit just to make sure that it's drying on my lash and like it's not lifting or anything. So I just went on and put the lash bond on the rest of my lashes. Gonna go in with another 18, more 18s until I get to the corner of my eye. I don't really use the 14s like that. If I do use the 14s, it'll be just like 114, to be honest. I don't use a whole bunch of 14s. Yeah, pretty much in the middle. I pulled this one out by accident. This next one, I'm gonna go in with a 16. That's a 16. And I think now I'm gonna go in with a 14. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with a 14 now, since now I'm getting into the corner of my eye. And I don't have a whole lot of lashes in the corner of my eye. So I'm gonna have to like put this one like slanted at an angle so that the lashes are angled towards the center, are angled towards the outer part of my eyeball to make it look like I got lashes on the end, but I really don't. So as you can see, this one on the corner is leaning. So we just gonna pull this one off because it's not going in the direction that it's supposed to be going. So I don't know if I want to put another one I'm gonna leave it like this for now, but if I feel like I need to put another one in the corner, I will. But for now, I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna go ahead and stack the ones. And just like that, my lashes are done. I tried my best, y'all. I really tried my best to give y'all like a detailed tutorial, but it is so hard to film and put your lashes on at the same time. So if I need to make another video, I will. I'll try my best to edit this as best as I can, but yeah, I hope you guys got the basic concept of how to put them on yourself. I think they turned out okay because I'm a little bit shaky today. I could have did better, but you know, it's good enough. It's good enough for now. I think they look cute. I think they look good. They should last at least 2 weeks. But yeah.